Good morning.
Morning.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay. Where to?
How about the beach?
Sounds good. See you at the elevator.
What's in your rucksack?
My cell and swimsuit.
Your what?
Cell phone and swimsuit.
Oh, I know this. Let's stop at the shop on the way.
Okay. What do you need?
Swimming costume and a dressing gown.
A what?
A rope. Look at those gorgeous ropes.
Beautiful. Let's go in. Do you like those purses?
The handbags?
Yes, those.
They're not quite my style.
I need some pills from the pharmacy.
From a what? A chemist?
Yes.
Remind me to buy some courgettes and an aubergine on the way back.
Sure.
Let's cross at the zebra crossing.
Oh, the crosswalk. Be careful of the sidewalk past the bike lane.
We're almost there.
I see the beach. love coming here.
Me too. Hold my trainers, I'm going to dip my feet.
No problem. I'll wait here.
Oh, that man's selling candy floss.
Selling what?
That pink stuff.
Oh, cotton candy. Do you say pop or fizzy drink?
Fizzy drink.
Can we stop at a bank machine?
A cash point. Sure, there is one on the ground floor of the building.
Are these pants okay to meet your sister?
She's not going to see your pants.
Huh?
You show films in a theater?
Sometimes.
I should have bought a jumper. I stepped on a goose poop. Have you got a tissue?
Sure, here. Oh no, my last Kleenex. The wind's blowing it into that parkade.
There is Dasha.
Let's hurry to meet her when she lands.
I can't wait to see Sasha too.
He must have grown so much.
Thanks for the walk.
I had fun. Let's do it again tomorrow.